Hey guys, it's me, popping on here to give you a little background on this video. I had recorded this back in January, I edited it, and I thought I put it up on YouTube, but apparently I did not. My adult ADD strikes again. So I figured, hey, while I'm finishing up my current editing, I'll go ahead and put it up now. Not only does this video contain a subscription that we are going to be doing moving forward, I also have a year's worth of unopened boxes. I'll talk more about that in the video. It also has a brand we know and love in it. I like the subscription. So without further blabbing, let's go ahead and get into it. If you are new, thank you for clicking on this video and taking a chance. If you are not new, I love you guys. Thank you so very much for being here. In this video, I wanted to pay tribute to two people that I've been with and known for quite a while and do very much respect and love. If you want to see my opinion on the products in here, whatever else I can come up with, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, so I'm sure that you might have seen this somewhere else, but we have Slay Glam Box for the month of December. It did come in a mailer like this, and we do have a bubble wrap thing. I have not even opened it yet. I knew what was in it, and I just knew it was going to be good. And then we do have this item that was on the outside, okay? It is a Jello shot. Oh, I know. I was going to say, I've heard of that before, but yeah, of course I have. I've done them, you know. And they really do taste like, well, they are Jello. I mean, they're very good. I've never gotten inebriated by drinking Jello shots, that's for sure. They're just too sweet for me, but they do taste good. If you're new, hi, my name is Stephanie. This is a real life beauty channel. And what do I mean by that? I am a real life girl. I am nowhere near perfect, but I'm okay with that. And anybody that comes to this channel, that is not a requirement. All the requirement to be a part of this channel, family, community is to have a good time and to see gorgeous things, both indie brand, mainstream market, all of it. We do subscription boxes, we do a lot of things. So if you're into that kind of thing and you don't mind hanging out with a girl like me who tries really hard but doesn't always get it right, then please hit the subscribe button, give the video a like, and remember to put your bell on because that is very important. I do actively have a bunch of giveaways going on. The After Christmas Advent unboxing series. There's a playlist. Please check that out. There's a giveaway in every video. And we are going to open this up. Now, guys, I did know that SAS was collabing with, Slay Glam Box. I've been known for a while. I do have a code. I'll put it here. And it will be always linked down in the description box along with a link to that will bring you over there. They also have a shop. It will save you with your subscription and it will save you in the shop. Okay? So the first item, this is from Amore US. Kind of has like the elf packaging, kind of, sort of, a little bit. With the little thing up here, and you got to pull it out. So this was outside the package. It didn't fit in the bubble wrap. There you have it. That is Amore US. And this was in it right here. I took it out. Now, this is very pretty. It does have a seal on the top, guys. I'm not going to open that up because it is a cream. Like, you could lay this down as a base. You can use this to pat over anything, really. Inner corner, brow bone, etc. The shade is, hang on, I forgot I wear glasses. What is wrong with me? Aqua. So there you go. It is on the bottom. There it is right there. All right, so that is the first product. Again, we don't get a card with this box. Now, this subscription, if you don't know, is $24. Shipping is free. Then the second thing is from Italia. Listen, they do have some really good liners. Do I want to swatch it? I already have one going. I'm not going to do it. It is a white eyeliner. And it is the kind that you sharpen. It is the pencil kind. It's very much more sanitary, and I do like the texture. I use them in my waterline, my inner corners, wherever you want to highlight. You can even draw a line here and pat it out. It will look like you have highlighter on. Very good way to do highlight without actually doing highlight. And your girl likes to accent my face, but I don't necessarily use highlighter, so this is a good option. Okay, so very happy to see that. Then we do have not one, but two. This is Lip Locked Priming Gloss Stain Beauty Simplified from Manica Dar. This one right here is in Petal Pink, and I do like it because it snaps when it closes. So there is the color. It's like a cool tone mauvey pink. It smells really good. Your girl could use some lip on this video. I'm sorry. And there's another one, and this is in Shea, S-H-A-E. Now there's that one. It's a little bit darker, you can see. This one's more, I want to say brown, more like warm toned. So there it is there. It's just not, it's very slight. I don't see any color. But you can kind of see it in there a little bit. Now, I'm going to put it on and let you know. It's a stain and a gloss. Oh, okay. Oh, very comfortable. Wow. Oh, okay, so I can see it. There's just a wash of color. I see. Okay. I like it. Doesn't have any taste. Can you see that? It's like a very subtle wash of color. Very, very subtle when you put it all over. Now, we have these from St. Lux. These are 2 limited edition liner duo, okay? And here are the shades right here. Now, they look very close, but see, one is like a more neutral cool tone, one has a brown undertone. So you have Secret Admirer is the darker one. So I guess you would line your lips. My top broke. Okay, well, we're going to stick it back on there because why not? All right. Is it twisted? No, you have to sharpen them. Oh, yes, very creamy. Very creamy. There you go. And I'm going to see if that stays. See, that's a very nice color. I like that color. Okay. And then you have this one here. I don't want to take the top off too much. Nope, this one came out too. Okay, I don't understand why that's coming out. It's weird because it just goes in there. You would never know I opened boxes for like not a living, but kind of sort of. But here's that one right there. Okay. Let me go here. That right there is the shade. Okay. It's a little, so you can see it's warmer than this one. All right. So these are sharpenable. You have to sharpen them. They have that like plastic. So what you would do, I guess, is you would like line your lips with these. Just see how it works. Because I did use the more neutral pinky. Oh, okay. I see. Okay. Okay, it's very creamy. Goes on nice. Now I have a very cool tone look on. The lip is not going to go with the eye look, but that's okay. I see. Okay, I totally get it. You can put this on, maybe put something in the middle, lighten it up how if you want to do an ombre, or you could just stay with it like this and then go in with the lip gloss. I get it. I get it. I get it. I get it. They are very creamy, the liners. See? There you go. It's just a little bit of like shine. Actually, a lot of shine. And yeah, I like it. I like it. I have been getting into a little bit darker shadows. Not red. I'm not ready for that. Okay. And the last thing is the piece of resistance, in my opinion. We do have the Snow Globe palette. Now, this is a collaboration between 3 people, really. You have Slay Glam Box, or Russia B. You have Just Anne. And then you have St. Angel Center. So Slay Glam Box is presenting a collab between Just Anne and our lovely, lovely Darcy. I'm very happy for Darcy. You know, Just Anne, she's a very well-known creator here on the platform. And I'm very happy for her. I'm very happy. This is a step in the right direction. So the palette is called Snow Globe. All right. And here's the packaging. There's our lovely Daphne looking all angelic and pretty inside the little snow globe, right? It is good for 12 months. You know, bunny has the bunny on it. And then it is green incentive. Okay, and of course the ingredients are on the back. Now, palette is exactly the same setup, okay? And when you open her up, this is what the color story looks like. You do have a mirror, there it is. And there are the shadows. Now, let me show you again, okay? You have 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes, 5 or 6 satins, and then you have a, I think, multi-chrome and a duochrome. Without swatching, I'm not going to swatch them, guys. I am definitely a purple girl, and I love these kind of minty green tones. I'm just not too much of a blue girl, but I'm liking these blues. This is a very pretty palette. So Just Anne, I guess, came up with the color story, and from what I've seen online, it's very good. Like you can, it's buildable kind of mattes and shadows that I like. Now I do know for me, I will have to reach for an additional dark matte because this is not a matte. This is more like a satin or a shimmer, like normal, like straight one, not like a duochrome or anything. This is the darkest matte in the bunch. You would always have to go with the green. Now listen, don't get it twisted. Greens and purples are very, very good in my opinion. I love the color combination. I would have to reach for just like maybe one more purple perhaps. Like I have my Blend Bunny palettes, which you guys have not even seen that yet. Oh my gosh. Anyway, there's a really good purple in there. I would pair it with this and I would have no issues. But all in all, I do think it's a very nice palette. Congratulations to our lovely Darcy as well as to Just Anne. Congratulations, you guys. Job well done. Job well done. So we will recap. We have the palette from SAS, Just Dan, and Slay Glam Box. We have the two St. Lux liners. I do have one of them on right now. Right here. They are very creamy. There's no doubt about that. They went on like a breeze. You saw me. I did it right on camera. One is a neutral. One is a more warmer color. And you have the two Manna Kadar lip gloss stains, which is something I've not heard of before, that do absolutely go with the liners. Okay, turn it around this way, Steph. Okay, see what I mean? Perfect. Okay, you have a white eyeliner, which I'm loving. It will go very, very nicely with this palette. You have a Jello shot from Amori Us, which you can definitely put this down as a base and put these eyeshadows on top of it. That would work wonderfully. One and done and have a beautiful look. And here's the cool thing about it. This is why Slay Glam Box is notorious. You have two liners. That is considered one item. You have two lippies. That is considered one item. I like the way Miss B puts these things together. Now you have all this cool tones, right? And you do have the lippy, a nude lip to go with it. I do like that very, very much. All right, so that will be the December 2023 Slay Glam Box. Tell me down below, do you get this subscription? Are you considering signing up? Have you ever had it? Do you like the palette? Tell me all the details down below. You know I love to read all your opinions and thoughts, and I am catching up on my comments, guys. Just know that. Guys, I have been getting this. I have an entire bin over there, and I don't know what is wrong with me. I promised Miss B that I am going to do a Slay Glam Box marathon. We are going to open a ton of them at once. I mean, I don't know how many a ton is. It could be 3. And then, of course, I will have some type of giveaway with the products from the Slay Glam Box in there. Kind of like I do with Ice Cream Beauty, because I just have so many. And I know I'm not going to be using all of those palettes, because I have 11, 12, 13 boxes. They're sealed in the bubble wrap. I know what's in them because I saw the spoilers, but I can't tell you what bag is which month. Remember, I do have a code that will save you money off your subscription and the shop as well. Thank you very much for hanging out with me. As always, I do very much appreciate it. Please remember, self-awareness check-ins, you know, just take stock and ask yourself, like, what is going on? How do I feel? How am I doing? Because it's very important that you're aware of that. It can help in a lot of situations. And if you realize there's something going on, you're just maybe not sure what, talk about it. You know, I find when people start talking, somewhere in there it comes out, because the more you talk, it just kind of gets out there. And when you say the words, you're going to say, that's it. How does that happen? By getting a dialogue going, and that is very important. Okay, and in this crazy mixed up world, to all my loved ones all across the globe, please guys, stay safe until the next one. See ya.